Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today, we're taking you up close and personal with one of the most aggressive and iconic trucks on the road, the 2024 Ford Raptor in its stunning black finish. Right off the bat, this truck commands attention. From the bold Ford stamped across the tailgate to the wide, muscular rear fenders and that signature triple exhaust setup, everything about this Raptor screams power. And when those C-clamp LED taillights light up, it looks like it's ready to launch into battle. This isn't just any truck, it's built to dominate both the pavement and the dirt. The massive off-road tires wrap around gloss black alloy wheels that are both stylish and ready for punishment. The ground clearance, the stance, the blacked-out accents, this truck doesn't just look tough, it is tough. Step inside, and it's a different kind of beast. With both rear doors wide open, you're greeted by a spacious cabin that blends rugged utility with modern comfort. The interior is loaded, premium materials, bold stitching, and intuitive tech that puts you in control. It's built for the driver who wants performance but won't compromise on luxury. The cabin feels premium and spacious. You've got plenty of headroom and legroom, especially in the rear, perfect for crew members or family rides. Whether you're heading off-road or just cruising through the city, the Raptor keeps you comfortable and in command. Underneath all this style and muscle is some serious engineering. The Raptor is powered by a high-output engine tuned for both raw power and control. And the suspension? Ford's next-gen Fox shocks and a reinforced chassis mean this truck doesn't just handle terrain, it owns it. Every detail of this build is intentional, from the rear tow hooks to the dual exhaust tips and even the aggressive rear diffuser. It's aerodynamic, it's brutal, and it's beautiful. If you're looking for a truck that turns heads, dominates terrain, and still brings comfort to every drive, the 2024 Ford Raptor should be on your list. Thanks for watching MVP Auto. If you like this detailed look, hit that like button, drop a comment, and make sure to subscribe for more cinematic car content coming your way. See you in the next one.